ya gene actually yes say any day your delegates actually or your constituency the say yen fire ho den ye bibia enko tie Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na ono among the 5 candidates no ojira brane ana ono na bibia wo bi a chese obetimi aboa MPP amade ye hwehwe ni in 2028 ne yen saka. And to respond to the call of our members, your delegate, and your day at the end ever two abonding. Would me to Chadi and now find Shaku to do our politics, Yanisa. Politics, they wish to trade as I saw the Pabon team, my baby, Wujina. So, baby, Wujina, wow, take a seat and will muse a baby papa, dear, to me, Babon team. It didn't lie about it. So out of this 87, no, a must 63 about openly. That's 2. Me nubi wo no mo a. Wo mo ye Bawumia den ya wo mo ye Bawumia adwuma e wo pompa for some reason ti. Wo mo se ma me fa wo mo di no e ma bonte 60. It is all there. Na ye dey ye wo gidi se e kona ye kono. Yes, I near my year near the you 2 minutes. I share Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 2028 situation, no, any conditions, no, a prevail, a bit prevail, no. Mahmoud Bawumia a bit ready any more year. I'm at the area, Yazaka.
The Pacho now, as I see, no 276 constituencies, no. If you must see, the Oceanian and Sandy, and you who sa. Who is that? And now who is that?
You open the all say you who say, how to say. Many will contest. Contest, yes, Tatiano. Menya, a moose 63 or 65. And you go me basket. So I am not starting from ground zero, more or less. What can you are starting more or less from ground zero? What is the mini advantage? Identity and other contestants ni be near bread and din. Maybe kasa basa some of them are caught to the extent of even activity. I am being threatened day and night. Maybe TikTok, maybe audios, and they bash me simply because I am providing leadership and direction for my colleagues here, my normal war parliament with reference to Bawumia's flag bearership project. Only a better my say nya dia anamono ayetu no arapo and kropo bi fedes ya. Why would they go to the extent of insults and lies and twisting what we are saying and what we are doing? Edipa 63 na senya no kura 63 no omo ho senya no kura pa problem tin no be ka say asemui enya no kura me din ka ho obi di me din na shemu ba force. Let them come out. Omo nyan kwada ho. They are very respected people of the parliament. Omo kira brane. They are people in their own, on their own. Omo timba bontin be ya no say me din fremu. Say di we be fremu enya no kura. Now we have 62, 63, or 65 in the back of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now, don't want to ask me meaning say, that number will be the warm delegates, a catcher, warm constituency, and warm abundant. Because no good politician will want to create a problem between himself or herself and in the constituent and other the delegates.
That's true.
So the delegates prefer K. Now, Banabeka say, you know, say, problem now create your mouth. Me Obama for me group for me delegates, they have made it abundantly clear to me. About 90% in my constituency approve Bawumia. And they are going for it. In 2023, some delegates we are now Wamoko to Abano. Wamuma Bawumia 86.4%. Omanhene.
Mampo.
About not 23.
Okay.
That delegate we are going Bawumia and our Wamumano 86.4%. Say delegates now Wamu Ababeka wire former constituency executives. Wamu Ababeka. Some former a constituency executives na beka ho they are not more than 30 omunye more than 30 amongst our class so beka ho I can tell you say of the 30 no or so now a movement 28 a proba with me. Well, maybe constituency, it is loud and clear where they want me to go. That is why I am all out for Baumia. That is why I am bolding me. I shame me cannot. I'm a holding. I'm a penny for no more parliament. You can't say me new one when you know. I'm a meeting one when you know. Now, when you go to the other constituencies outside the 36, outside the 65 run, we are very, very much, but Wumia's team is very, very much on the ground. Very, very much on the ground. I don't think you are the end because only parents they say, oh, for quiet to about our parliament, only 87. Almost 72%. See Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and the F. What would you say, Yay? Seven on the balance, you know. Yenim agrona fi yenim ne koso ye 76 77%, which is 60 number 2 of young Crawford, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. That is influencing the rest of the other constituencies represented Abia orphan constituencies.
Okay. And
I hope Dr. Mahmoud Baumia is winning. Everything about Mahmoud Baumia as a person, as a leader, it shines, it resonates very well with the MPP delegates. And it's all out. He's going to win and win handsomely. His percentage is going to go up. The others can build their track record for another time. But unfortunately, in the current situation and in the current climate, there is only one person who stands tall. There is only one person who can deliver MPP from the abyss that we find ourselves. And there is only one person that can provide the kind of leadership and direction that we need at this current moment.
Okay.
Why
Arabu ko kwa brachum sa pomedo asiano pay. Say okay. Gentlemen, once again, welcome back. All right. This issue of yetawiachi yeyiwe. The other time we raised a concern. Nebi muka Honorable Eugene Entry we can say kabeya ka constituency executives no regional no ade nyina like they should stay away. More mun declare more be said beya ombetim ni omu nyina ye. But people have preference, people have choice. Won kan bi obi beka nti say won kan wo kon anotuma obi so beka. How it pans out there at the end of the day. A form hono na bekire mami ntiu
akunta the ACC nyina enino enya de foforo me enya me nwanwa me expect worse than the ACC neno akunta me expect say one here 31st January elections no mo kwakoto no obi beko court so akoje court injunction e de aba beto abato no so me ye bechi nipa na hyedem ana say obeko party office mo friends e court akrache for no court bailiff beko party office on kotu bia obeko ne atutum akota these things nyina besisi
election shenanigans
akota iti we no say no ametesi 63 ebi say 65 ebi so ebi kura say 70 ne bi na ne bi atukwan no wan akota ni nyina ebisi na no ahaya na kwabena Japan general secretary
of former general secretary
betina hase no kase so tese nipa bi no mo kase ai ena ade na amanfo declare ma wei amanfo okota we echi no MPP party ni sanete since 1992 na sante boatia since 1992 omoko aba no o se 1992 ne 96 ne 2000
no na no di akufo
o se okodi akufo ado achi okay o se wan support okofo okodi akufo ado achi omo ye campaign obo list of a titiru na wo party ni mu a omo
apia menka don go for you
yes
Ashanti region
yes omo could
lot of key members
akufo ado achi boya de babesi ko for time a kufo kra fra omo se omo nko support obi chairman sabon se da bi omo support Akufo Addo sa che to say
chairman sanitina onu se go no kru sa kufo be ko 6 months no man the
deputy minister so Itakuta MPP party dey si wonom no we nya de foforo me kra de me sa hwe ni mu say Akuta se ne na no so hwe ya observe media space ne say Mami be a friend Arena Toshi and I nye
Arena Toshi friends say common fund administrator
yes we defective free Baumia ho ekọ ken ho
ekọ na ni nkrofo
and na nkrofo no so no afri na chi akọ Baumia ho say wo na wo kọ ken ho akọ ye de ne wonko Akuta sa ne ma we nyina be sisi Akuta me say expect cross delegates ye be chi delegates ashe dem be expect esia enya de foforo enya de nwanwa na AC wo ye political dispensation ne internal party niema ni nyina anya first time Akuta AC no itimi de me expect cross e bedu baby kra no Akuta ntokwa no munku nwie yu ntokwa no munku nwie yi
fe de ntokwa na ahwe ni mu
me expect ken ne Baumia Brian Champo ne aduchum grofo what the bomb ha Akuta me ni paboni na me ye niema esisi Akuta konya na atofio
na no what the bomb say
baby ozo bisi obi asum se na no omode da si na ombe wo bisi kan obanteman
when dey atwam
mo Akuta there's another stage ebeba ombe bo obi asum on the election
day grounds nada na dey go see obi anu
ebetima bakra se obi be kwema ni ntubi ye hwe odin se wo no wo ye ken na se wo ye Baumia omo do so ho nom no be make sure say ba
no crude
omba ye be kona odin nim esusu na oguta o card Akuta sa ne ma we nyina be anya me nwanwa se wuntumi abronye no mba abonten
ebe
say
abom ya ye
Akuta esi wo yeso awuntu bi seze wo kasa bebira wo ya wuntu bi and obefa na gro
enso akoyeso osu abodo andofo wanka wunum bi
Akuta iti kroma say amanfo to aba na dwo 1 o'clock wo mo constituency MP obi kura ko ekoto aba emra na ye de court injunction akọ electoral commission for so mo nko MP no na no interview no ha MP ne sesa amanfo ko teachers hall not hall ekoto aba omudu okro omo si court injunction into omo nto odu kofie omo koto awiase omo amfre mine no de court na moment esi ni dem
before years
injunction no onye no wadi dem before years oba fie Akuta nti internal party politics there Akuta politics nko na yenko hu school politics nko a ene entro book ento ho say 1+1 we be 2 politics and Akuta 1+1 to me 3
to me 4
it me 4 it me 5 politics nko a and as ye to obawie ni ye kan a nipa na wo kan krata no otimi kan why or say 10 20 50 one money anko wa kan so no wa kan ami atwero ayede ko now no ken ko
would this have any effect in the election
MP bia or parliament there especially this time MPP kuta za 87 for no Akuta these 87 guys omo influence omo constituency
and even the party as a general
party Akuta is all party no
fine me tell say but Subi MP Mensia South MP
yes
Bantuma
yes Asenso Boakye
onene nkrofo Orphan constituency no are they going to look at say Bantuma MP kra wo de the vote come about me anti yen ya ye ni MP no yen susu yen kodi o machi ana
Akuta
do you think that will have any effect
Akuta na no yeti kroma say ne hu say Francis Asenso Boakye Bantuma MP akani nuanom first timers MPs no make say first timers bi kra atene mache Greater Kumasi MPs no omakabu matikuo a omoboabo omo ho Akuta saa mo abo na omo boabo omo no me enfa ne tera keke o metimi atene omo nsa ti so obi ti se Eric Nanajima Prempe a wo tepa mankranso ene ni area ho no mu nyina no eye eben no nti Akuta se o tere ne nsa akoho
To say baby a chijina
baby a Alpha no Southwest, Alpha no Southeast. Akwa amebia ya chi delegate akwa candidate bi no akota me and downplay. And akota baby a yedru say no these MPs no mo na hwe party no constituency. Party ni be kwa yi akobon sa akra MP na diskaba.
Yeah.
Obi awo a wo to ne bedin no party na di MP na disikaba. No obi awo a yekoyi ne yere ne de ba hospital na MP na disikabre wo mu me edi kotua hospital bills. Nti akonta MP ne say yes, enye delegates ni nyina 100% no. Ena ebedi MP na chi. Ena konta yenka no kra so say MP bia oni kra no or at least half the constituency delegates no or half e one side. Agi say bia na any MP no person obedi bio. But even on person obedi bio kra no a akota or half 2/3 because album no omo MPs no any chairman for no ena ye wo chairman so awe stubborn no ya so kra ba no ntimi ntubi
mami ko asante
influence
63 I am see 2 net to kan tomba na almost be declare but John there asoma busema no pay me nim se me nyi wanu ana se me there you and I were not there apologies
okay me pa che o ma wonim constituency 276 and I'm 65 or 66
and said 60 87 no mo 63 about 72%.
I'm expanding the whole thing. Say Ghana, no, there were
276, including South. That's right.
And MPP, a woman 87. Your coalition MPP as a political party, we winning 88 MPs. And about Miana also winning 77 constituencies in this country. Declaration we know human nipa 87 no. Ghana nyina na utiti film okra na 276 so utisi settle film a be 123 more MPs or seats left and we know as far as me
276 63 film I cut 2 say
223 as I said bibisa
I cut
213
constituencies
more yet to declare and I say minim say obi a omunye City MPs into Muntimi declared there.
Very good.
My point is that this shouldn't bring any fear to any of the aspirants as well, because we are politicians. Because on my say we it doesn't hold up to even 40% of the majority of
63, so probably maybe 40% or 35%.
And you know the and two. We know say na about American I paying a CPN 20 to 2023 what happened that amount for to the sense that somewhere even could hedged reports say yeah amount for man for to am city baba some in our party no age na quiet man this time around on my side baby so it tells you say it's about the interest, individual interest. Now it's superseding that of the party.
How would you conclude?
The makers are
say individual interest.
On my side MPC is 3 ne omani abri. Ya me adom, let's say about me awenia. It will be difficult. So but when you sank for the free because they have put their what? MP position because what here papa ya sama working ya. We see e di matem. And I am okay. Yeah, frame sending me test threat message. Na say about me awenia ya oba unya challenge wo mampon ho.
One be ya challenge.
I
do feel say almost
it's an they are protecting of course for me because once they are putting their MP position on the line because other aspirants be home you
that's anti
if
say now you are so hopeful say Baumia can win why would you wait
there be on my
or we knew we are afraid
and I'm declare and I can say until so declare we are therefore we need pen that or penny say opportunities are influence na say so about man this time around because me no say party ni share name who say dey say illegal party ni share ni gitum say we MP you anim your campaign we constituency chairman we regional chairman minim say national executive na kan dey obi ayi na nim say oba support to be party ni so ni asem bia so who am I say make I say mempene ana say maybe party ni say but me can say the omo ye bia obi ye bia or protecting interest for
but
me.
At the end of the day, Asante, the flag bearer who says he wants to lead or interest.
Until I make us say
But you say even the flag bearer now no leading or interest.
Delegates are I say amount for person jump to conclusion once and MP gina ha no. Oko there delegate ni say
Mami kwa homa no so. Honorable Stephen Amo Amemoache. Honorable Stephen Amo.
Minia.
Now point to say
Boko.
Enra ye te se mra hye bedwa fie enipa duosia miensa. Eyi o manim so omo de omo supporto ba wo mea. Wo de wa ma obia te se onipa obetimi aboa ama MPP maji tumi eye Kennedy akompre ko Japan.
Nafa de sisero no ka.
Bibi say ba wo honoma enha dwene e ma wadwene enye wo kesere ne.
Oh. Bimia. Me da sepa me chia o kafra. Me wo atasma so maka ntina de o me so me traka no me no wakasa.
Enye hwe.
Mbacho. Me anopa me da seso mama kwanya ye chia Asante man. Titu patikoko so. Ye na ba akope. Nana tia o mebu me mu ase me ntuma gu mabeti. Na ye chia MPP fo nyina titu o mato aba no so. Na wo so no adwuma ye fo. Minua me gidi se enka bibi memu o hawa ye wo mu no ke be ku anim kakra wo niam bi ho na propaganda ne the use of deception na da ye de amanyosem ne betwam we ni nyina kan bi na toda MPP NDC enya akonya se ye bu o man na niam potio se yetimi ye no propaganda se ye ntino ni ade niam achechire ye kon then and members of parliament will be trying baby no church including Crawford Omuni Dr. Baumia ho woman to abama woman just because of personal propaganda you know would you media beto abontin say nipa 63 now honestly
Hello
anti minia ebe sa ohwe sa de oboko na ehu asma meka no obeka ya emre bi sa omusio nkrofo bi akọ Dr. Baumi Bamu afia akọ declare wo ma na gina video mu no omso me 52 as 53 kan no me 26 emre bi omso Eastern region 23 as 24 omunyina wo Dr. Baumia wo ma na gina ho a omdo mo yes ade no me 13 as 14 and they omsi nipa 63 me catch your plane ye nuanom bes ye enye plane fa ese ayem kontompo enye no kre o da gbo mo boa oni opa mo focus on opa manenka be bi nchiro opa omo me yankoto aba minority for no yankoto aba secret ballot yema yisi for mra yato na omo camp no yeah. Hello sorry
one is stable sikaya
oh me bi amene na mo now me champion youth organizer na
champion youth organizer manager interview ni ye
ya no ono kra connected ya no
me ba jo enti o se ano se mo koto aba secret ballot o munya half kra
mi anya 63 a ntaso munya ba kokra ba o mi anya 63 a me resign akodinechi omo po mi ento saba no anya no kre enkrofo ni bi kra no omo frɛ omo so omo di omo di yohwem omo so omo mpesa opa mumu say ade argument na ekoso ewo 8th parliament MP's platform ni aye no so ade na ekoso ethically no mean fa eso asemeto abonte
that's right
propaganda na minua impo why should you even do this because members of parliament we are the makers of the law and na Ghana ha emremu no obi vote aye ni secret Ade na members of parliament mbebo obi din ade two people so to abante se we obeto aba ma we abra nye nipa ne mpokura na sabe no ade ni din abetworo ayo wo ti be mi no atworo obi din ade na wo mo be press conference no enipa 63 ni nyina megina ho na ya 5 di anto wo so masa we nyina show frustration we nyina show say MPP win election. In any case the fact say MPP kura me obi anim say me honorable Kennedy Japan ibisa wo ujiri say nchia so yeto aba na Kennedy Japan obenya 100%. Ibisa onya 100%. Agro no agents no your polling station and the coordinators no almost for me about 95-96% of the electoral college. The amount agro na ehu amu no. Me no kasa say CA almost for critical so baby sabe just school ni okra no me didin aba say or just president to emfa ni shame. Baby school na gube mfie num ni no. Obisi o school no wo ho yemfa ni shame. School at school ni mu baby no me didin aba. Oh wa do ma from secretly o me say fa din we shame mai because o mu nim say o ma no support Dr. Baumia no say dodo na afiri ho nti o mo de ba o mo ncheke na election nim so we ni awie no ada na aba say o massage numbers o dey say minia enye no kore
okay
o ma cho mu di o be kura to cars any computers at the American Japan campaign team
all right
it is almost me boa minia enne akopem next week one me organize secret ballot me and so benya 63. You see way said deception too much in ada amamu na epese ebebu no ye forget it politics colloquial outmoded communist inferior tactics mind games psychological warfare no na yenye real yenye obi aseme aka no yenni no kwarema nyankopon ne Ghana for enye na ada we.
Okay, mame Fauzi ameda wase na
Ghana for say odi kire Japan ba on beto am ene hia
anu ne hia yewra Stephen Amwana mote ne nka no say oni edi nkomo no ade ade no abo no nwotwe apa ho meet aduasa mienu mame ne kanjen twetwe nkomo ewi ai ba ajako na yetie won so na afei and the debate na say na debate na ya me de asie mu nyina and am the debate na asie mu nyina we find a fast track all right and am not to say bibia boko okay chief executive officer of Kengen and Dungeon Drinking Water Elecam and yenene twetwe enkomo okay Mami chi
paying so you say chair for na afi etie for the back Kengen and Magic Drinking Water yes na paying no yen komodi no about the neutralizing effect of Kengen and Magic Water. Now my message say nkrofo say e phone lines na chepa breve mu na yetumi e bie
kasa na omumra mehwema
enti no ye ka the neutralizing effect of Kengen alkaline water de bia ye ka say nipa bia no answer na obewo no o blood pH no alkaline, that is 7.5. na amniotic fluid in so o demo answer na o maame ebewo na o na ebewo no sanso no nso 7.5 pH. Sa niama mieni a making is a okra smartphone and one is our Google the pH of the amniotic fluid and after the pH of the human blood. Sa niama mieni nyina 7.5. Tresa nyankopon hyehye mu no waye moja alkaline so that yare into nemu. Se oba nyinsen a apemfo a otimo se abofra no inso na odem no because of that na abofra no protection be the friend amniotic fluid no enti e bia maame no HIV positive but obewo ba na akwa no HIV negative because of that fluid no I am abofra no protection. We could see their Dr. Henrik Otto Warbeck ekan say alkaline nipedua bia na yare entumi nemu 1923 and or discover cancer 1931 and we are seeing na man abasobode International Nobel Prize for Cancer Discovery. Na the kind say no disease including cancer there is no way betumi na alkaline nipedua including all other diseases. Na why is it saying so? nipa biara no sɛ onipadua no oyare a kyerɛ sɛ o system no yɛ highly acidic o blood pH na yɛ highly acidic enti ɛnyɛ nwanwa sɛ ebinom nom nsuo na ɔmo di adanseɛ onipadua yɛ acidic na onom kange na yɛ alkaline na alkaline no ɛne ana base no ɛne acid ne hyia a state a yɛfrɛ no neutral ana homeostasis kyerɛ sɛ saa state no ɛde waba apɔmuden mu anaasɛ omogya pH na aba back to life enti obi yare a kyerɛ sɛ ne blood ne yɛ acidic nneɛma a watwe gu ne mu yɛmfa ne sɛ carbonated drinks yi ebi pH yɛ 2 ebi yɛ 3 yɛka pH koraa ɛyɛ dɛn pH kyerɛ sɛ the potential of hydrogen enti na yɛyɛ research kakra no pɛ na yɛhwɛ the neutralizing effect of Kangen energic water na Kangen alkaline water obi wɔ bi a yɛmfa ne sɛ ulcer obi wɔ ulcer kyerɛ sɛ acidity ne level ne yɛ extreme enti ba kyerɛ ɔma yɛn slide na ɔma yɛn sɛ esia no ɔsɛ Kangen water no etumi neutralize it because of antioxidant properties na ɛwɔ enti neutralize free radicals ɛna afei alkalinity no neutralize acid free radicals no ɔma ɛne na ɛde oxidative stress ɛbrɛ nipadua no enti oxidative stress ɛyɛ ade a ɛde yareɛ ɛba yɛn frama yɛ home yɛduane a yɛdi aduane no kora no dodoɔ na yɛ acidic ɛndra na me ka one of the sister stations a me kɔ anopa ne sɛ yɛkɔ parties koraa na wɔma obi aduane ɛmo ne salad a salad ne deɛ opia si nkyɛn ebisa no so adan yɛyɛ mpɔnkyen meanwhile ɛno na nka ɛbɛboa ma na balance ɛmo na ideally koraa deɛ sɛ ɛmo na nka nipa no ɔgye ketewa bi na nka vegetables a ɛyɛ leaves no odi more okenkan bible mmerɛ Daniel ɛkɔ pie wɔ ahemfie hɔ no nduane a odi yɛ no yɛ more of herbs any vegetables na wohwɛ the difference between Daniel ɛne ne namfofoɔ for Hebrews boys and Hebrew boys and over the other guys now. Utumu said the difference was very clear. Just when you live on herbs, one obi cry fasting aya na entiasia o ye fasting na eboa wankasa because ehoro wankasa ni pedue mu eyi efin firi mu. Two unum nso papa nso asa na ye etumi eboa detoxify o system no. Enti ohwe slides na ye wo na ebi nso kasafa ne akangen etumi eyema ni pedua na enti mesre na ya with the slides now to swama and then we speak to the slides immediately. Enti kangen in so ne what kind the antioxidant effect ebi mutai bisa se munsuo no ya to na esi ho a check akra no ye hwe mu na ya na emu ni nyina particles kakra bia ba begu ase what kind asa nneama ne antioxidant any minerals na ahye nsuo no mu ma no o se kangen water has rich molecular hydrogen is said to be rich in active molecular hydrogen and negatively charged ions which act as antioxidants. These antioxidants are believed to neutralize harmful free radicals that can cause cell damage and contribute to aging and disease. Free radicals no makansa and then the oxidative stress eba and then the aging so winning term esa de yarewa eba and then a kangen acid neutralizing effect. Kangen water's higher pH can help neutralize and buffer the acid in the body that can result from consuming acidic foods and stress. Enti kangen machine, no was our machine na oye kangen water fresh from the machine na. To say the AC one na kangen water fresh no otumi hu say emu ni nyina aye white. Dia eda screen no so broni na etesi nso ahodo obeye 4 anase 5 anase nsia kra a carbonated drink eka ho nse ya eta adokodoko nsa ya toma mofrey ebi nso ka ho obehwie ni nyina na odi pH tester no asom aha nso ye beye the same thing ye wonsuo beye 4 wa ha enti ye nso ye hwie ye be test sansuo foi na ya hu pH ne te say they me use pH tester na no na broni no nso use wo ho enti saa de na de a ye ne enya de a ye strange we kangen water na we di kan test me nso ma test ye kangen water enti ye kangen water no e wa ha. This one is not. So we'll check it 3 waters. Your bone said we have 3 different waters. Ewa enti 2 waters. See, we color na first one is lemon green, and a second one is yellowish, and a third one is kangen. Enti the other brownie no same thing. The colors are not the same. Bako highly yellow, and a bako to say lemon green. Dia be treche ne say ye pese hu say insuo no egumu ahodo enti say one careful study no one check say insuo na me nom no what is the pH level, what does the water do for me one hwe here unum nsuo de but e de how na ebro hwe ne ana yes sister na test e was screen so ben o Facebook de abomode na log into your Facebook we first one na any a deep yellow e be a green e be a lemon green we pH scale na pH scale na e kan yama mienu pH scale na make us a potential of hydrogen no every 6 e dey call 1 e acid and every 7.1 e dey call 14 e alkaline o say Nipedia eye acidic no, or say an acidic inner ocean attracts bacteria, virus, fungi, and results in sickness, disease, infections, and serious ailment. And yade ahodo a friend degenerative chronic diseases. Say wo ko enko kwanko. Sa yare ni nyina na ade nti na enko. Unum ebia insupa na wo sa ko di carbonated drinks ne sa aduane a eye highly acidic. Abrekra wudi sa na man na esa introduce yare ne back. Enti na ye ko sa enko no. But udi alkaline aduane na onum Kangen energetic drinking water eye 8.5 pH. Eye strongly alkaline no. Or say sa pH, a pH balance inner ocean promote a strong immune system. Enti Kangen in so no, Emma 1, immune system ne strong. 2, a deserve healing ebro by the body. Enti no, ebi edi adanse yakasa enye nso ne na edro. Immune system ne become strong. Immune system ne strong. Immune system ne stronger. Red blood cells no enkwa bemu. White blood cells, phagocytic leukocytes, and erythrocytes. So I may enquambe mu anquamwan and one casabequama, but just a old slide, no PhD. No. Now, I try to say, a inner shield to fight diseases. What is so refreshing? Say, Nyankopon Nyanse, the way our year in Suno, say PhD a writer, a boama, a clean soul system, na feno, a do system now by neutral, no immune system, it me a kun, etiaria. Just a area would walk around, and ye be a dear draw essa, there be. Medicines has its role in human life. They be American, but a draw away a side effect. A just side effect. Which is a side effect. No one for any a draw bia one side effect. And tia brekra unum draw more and more and more. One way yana sakwachi a refu frobia bro. But where they and so young ready Dr. Victor Rios or PhD or biological chemistry. Or say your body can absorb 15% of tap. Well, spring or bottled water. However, your body can absorb 85 to 95% of Kangen water. Entina Kangen in one unum ya per within few seconds now ojin so. Kangen in one ya demonstrating all over the time. Say in one is filled with minerals. Enti obi wa doubt. Uton so ne be a particles in kiti bi asia. Chesa minerals no na ewom no. In so I was screen so ye for major ama benis. Na benis and so edika kra asoso.
Bible crack and also false balance is an abomination.
Article American one 70. Oko phone so my joy online. Now o type in no bottled water in Ghana contains minerals. We a doctor near professor our University of Ghana or the 30 years higher research 3 decades. And we say in so I would so nyina no in so be anywhere minerals ewom. But Kangen water there ye buy and ye buy after this research. Na Kangen there full of minerals. That is why ebi wo ho utumi hu particles crowds here calcium minerals no ewo
Pacho ebesi number no so ebi ana obi etike mo ye dey 8 ye. Pacho number ni 0241 44 91 0241
okay 44
91 Bible cracker or say false balance is an abomination. It is a what's
Bible cast aho
Proverbs chapter 11 verse 1.
How can one ko tu aho
Proverbs 11 verse 1 and a just wait is his delight. It is a what's now my body ne be imbalance Nyankopon be dey obegusa cause even post we are contra at that moment there is a long secretion of stomach acid. Yes, our body nim enti there is a long secretion of stomach acid our body nim enti se when nya insu papa anya the anoma there will be an acidic erosion ebe wear out stomach lining ni nyina eno na ede yam kroye de eba I friend stomach ulcer no enti se mpo akwantre ni mpo u break whether water only fasting and I say dry fasting na who break here make sure so be do benya alkaline cause enko ba se wa break no na wo say ko fa acidic water there aba no you tend to disrupt the whole system and the imbalance here there eba body need
okay my answer say one more wa homa no so no ye pese so bi betimi obi a oyisu Kangen energetic drinking water my ntie say wo bibi kafa ho a ye ni bechi pa give us a call 0551 931 931 0551 931 931. Please lower the volume of your set. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Akomoi.
Nyame adom na wanom Kangen nsuo no wonumbi.
Today.
Mr. Kangen energetic drinking water wonum nsuo no bi. Kangen time ne wo no. Emi efun ni nse be ka bibia. eti wa wanom Kengen and natural drinking water na aboa ma yente wonka 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Okay. Hello, good morning. Yeah, bro, say. My into. I just okay.
Yeah, not doesn't determine a candy water pH level.
pH level 8.5.
Thank you.
It is I don't know the pH level is
For now, yeah, a drop here the test.
Yeah. For my no fans.
A drone here the test, you know. What are tonsion in your
Yes.
Na pH tester, Neddy. Share. What are Kotobi?
Non testing.
Na fason showing in them. Now, why do I dance here? Why?
I don't know what to name for you.
Oh,
distributors
baby
offer office line
0241
44
0241 44 9191 na you better just so baby abenya bi ato why
okay
aha ya men come also bet my friend 0241 44 9191
yeah
and a line
main office
name opeso friend ba homa isu 0551 931 931. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Yet you want to pay.
The American is drinking on the number and I want to know that near my blue, one more and just about drink the one saying so. On one energy. I'm 1 month in year, Juma.
Oh, no, my out energy, the year, Juma.
Juma.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. My you.
I'm Patrick Femi John. Police in the mind. I'm due to a burial. I'm the distributors no back. I'm calling no mom and box back. And I'm a normally near yes.
I'll be my surely be no me.
Yes, I'm due to burial.
Now what day?
Duty barrier.
And now barrier.
Yes.
Duty.
And at this.
I don't know surely we out to say energy be baumu.
Yes.
Also me am to say yes, manum you. Okay. Okay. Kajen and Yadru.
Yes.
Name enam iron, calcium, any magnesium a wo munintino. A bois. Emma onipa bia no e oba de enu bna e wo nipam e wo nsuom eno ntiche ne so ye de mo be see ha na your final words.
Yeah, no question na brantia ni bisa na ehun hia na obisa about pH ye kra say ye be bisa ehun say nsu aye no no pH ni ye dan
yes
mato ano so aye indicate wase but hanum kontompo no doso if dada no mo ye start here no brantia anytime na etimi line up nsu nyina na ya test na insema na ebu boba no because obeka say sabotage
na so ya ambush market obetima si kra
the ebe bo ne the uncle oman ana Omanhene akan pe pH indicator we ase am nyina obenye bi pharmacies akese no opa litmus paper na wan kasa wa test unso o test ya pH test and say can no create say traffic light yellow ana wa to hunfu green dia wonoma emfa apomudin bra mbro but better than acidic water no but the optimal health no Kangen alkaline water. This is the gospel according to Kangen.
Okay. Yada mwase nyamishia pa. All right, mabeja for betra say na yedi nkombo ne atoa so. Na no pe ye debate no yetiawa. Na ye na nanoma kansem bi ato yesi okoto onwo anoma. Ebi si da bi enebre imokoto timi wa anoma ma ne yeye. Koto otimi wa anoma ma ne yeye bi si da bi ye nananum kan ne da so gina brane. Okoto wonwo anoma. My panel will be seated and we'll be having a debate on it. Now, also so the adventure ba. Oh. Now, Bibia to me today. And Koso, come on. I will PH crowd. ma hwie amaka kakra bi mo sa ba abeje okay enunti ye trase na ye de ahyehye so na ena bibia akoso kama e de amaw na asante atrase ajakon atrase mema ajakon agene nte ho ewo eye ensema na ye ka no na ye ka se okoton wanoma they say a crab does not give birth to a bird. Now proverb it is used to acknowledge the resemblance between a child and his parent. It can be in a form of physical and character wise. Nene child proverb no bit because like father like son. Also an apple does not fall far from a tree, from each tree. But a nebi si debi subane ni yebi ni nukredie ni honti koto timi wano mama ni yeye eya kumyente o ewo ana se goma me yem fa weri nsise mu ana sila abese otente ho wo MB before you know e also pente ho mami tewe
obai meka say the MPC ye theatrics because so 2024 election year course ya yen come constituency ni enquire vote saying no more declare no omonyaye vote saying about nya enyaye it means he say omo interest first omo koye omo ho adwuma omo anye flag bearer no ho adwuma and it means he say grassroots no na beto aba omo na be kire de ye pe no omo ase na beto aba nti di omo ye no abonte no they don't know camp nipa ebia omo declare omo support but behind the scenes omo ye adwuma grounds edi eboa candidate ni enti omo nchichi break no omo nya abetre doctor ba omo ma ne trimu nya ne de so omo aba be declare no eno ano no ebi wo ho indecisiveness nti no no akwa kogina mu bi no akoyi ni ti because wan ko bi e ara say yi but we be cut down no na kuma mu no na nti sa ti na mbenifo bu ba bi say se nipa esan firi wachi a e de ne pass obi hu but so dey aboa nam na so san dey obi hu but nipa dey san a unhu da
okay tiawa all right and yaw wona me de o shase okoto enwo anoma enei yebetima ka se eye no kretro do mpani account wo de awo hwe de ekoso o wiase nom ne ade a okoto otimi wo anoma ma ne ye ya na otimi nwo anoma
do one de mini ho
ena mi si de ono no mani ka waka de owo
ti mami hu se de owo no
asante
Dabi na waka de owo
asante waka de owo
waka de owo
ka kire owo se de owo no
na de bi on ka de owo
I say cool bi a koso a mani na ho pa
what cool
ena make say medical
okay ti asante me ba who did I
one kasa mpacho me
so when I ask a question you are telling me who answer
no me he ne me bi o campaign e nye ni ko so many strategies down share and now here more declare sanso electoral commission to ama electoral commission
yeah I mean you
electoral commission to ama
Jemensa to ababa won declare that is say Jemensa ko to ababa boa o declare
Dabi
you can force me we didn't go to court to cry make I just say by your own accusation you panyina so nyaje me no how they say I will not talk
no
yeah mama tio
okoto de owo koto e na anoma asoso awo na anoma edi ebem say okoto o isi de okoto enwo anoma
ai say just say emma say okoto betima awo na ya anoma emma say anoma betima awo na ya koto odwan timi nwu aponche
oh yes
but enei yebusa say abrabo no ebetima makoto awo anoma na we are looking it not in nature say eya bebuo I say suban papa no uhu na obo say omo yusu wa bi omo say a chip of the day of the block I say block no you twa ho akwala suban akwala ni da di no e di adanse say ni papa ni and ebusa say sa na tie because akwala bi tu betima dan suban bi adi Musa ya abo ma bani. We dey. E dey obusa say cotton nwa no ma no. Sa na tia be si ne. Ana asesa.
Then the ebesesa.
Ebesesa ho. Aja ko ujran.
Na dey say etimi sesa ana
was it ana man nyina de ogina on say
yaw jira de ogina aja ko etimi sesa
Yes, etimi sesa.
Asante
wonim koto amini koto na koto beda wa e free so koto water man
no Joe wonim ade we don't want to the literal meaning is say koto oni admanse but we are looking in terms of character wise.
Yes.
Oman any say ebe no you were literal meaning you were contextual meaning whatever.
Yeah, that is why I quote that is why I brought the physical and the character.
Ebe no mbuye no. Ye ntra mam nipa bi nse no because that's why you very effective. Any say koto. Ni na ye edu wodansuom mo fa say amphibian yes na mo kan. Anomaso de ona wiem osidi aso koto oni ntaban ne watu na busa ho se ene nanom kan se koto enwo anoma no man ka se bia koto enwo ebia kusie koto enwo ebia memfa ne se bia ntontom no man ka sa anoma is because of the differences koto one de nti o mo ka se koto enwo anoma ne se o mo hwe nipa o mo hwe akra wa wo no ohun ni su o wo de na di eni ni exhibitions ne wo kasa yetimi hwe akwenticoms asumasi wo de buso no afri ene ye oba abontena se ne papa ya dwo no sa na ye fa no but we hu ni se enipa ni bi epese o mu chem se obu ho wonyini a otimi dasuba mbufo bi adi ani ni papa na ne maame de no nse enti papa sa na o meba ekoba sa na koto antimi akọwa no ma and de enye no enu ntisa.
That is your argument.
Oh my! I say.
As Debio, as I was saying, Debio, your initial comment say, "Young primo monster son na na." You are throwing it say, "Obikra ewo a whole different view."
Enya una bu beno.
What be that? What you say?
Enya una bu beno. For the past na when the bu beno. Enya na una bu beno. Omo.
If
you are attacked this morning.
No,
extremely.
Where you are taking everything to? I am saying, the fact saying, it be something. Obika sem to. Na sem no kan no. Wouldn't in Yan so on the can as him to Yan this.
Debbie, men can say by force. Kiki and in Yadin. But then me can say, a pen on Bobu Piano. On the surface, the Ben won't mean challenge. But the interpretation wise no and I say okoto de ontimi nwa no ma na emfa wo say bia obabi obetwa wo ma ba enum na miemu ba mienu enna wusu bendi no enu chese wa wanu okoto akọ wanu ma because there are factors and the team decide ma akora bi esew. Because apart from say wo bakra no because wo mani nyina bi wo ha oye no satan onye dona na wo first don kra no na emu odian say she was looking at you satan bi say utifie onya adwuma obi bia utifie na ohene na pa bia nwumre what you say obese oba e bia ebedum ebi na akọ adwuma na asa bosom ekwa na ohunu no obakọ na se bi oni obi mpatam ho di nkita ho mo na wonye ne some semblance bi. That
is your argument. It is accepted.
And which I think the court and the well-listening meaning Ghanaians will definitely accept my point. This morning, the young now I
worry too. I
was telling you.
I said was not here. I'll come to you.
Oh, okay.
You guys listen. So in a very subtle way, Asante wants to even bully all of us. You see, in a very subtle manner. Yaw kasa.
What can be?
Yaw
Okoto. Owano ma. Okoto. Owano. Neba ne say na sofu bakonum wi. eba ne say and obi
there's a koto to me one mama ni
okoto to me one mama ni ye
I give you an example.
oh yeah asante the environment and everything is part everything the debate no
sorry for the interjection
go ahead
okoto to me one ma ema ni ye ye wo akoda bi to fie bi mu se dia asante ye bu akan ya ifie ho ebia ifie ofo nyina ye nkremufo ye wo no to nkremufie o but o say me de me nkonkremu no mesum Kristo what I say nyo okoto na akọ wanu me ye obi wo so ye wo no koto a Kristofo fie o se da bi me de me nkọ asore me kọ kremu nyo okoto na akọ wanu ma no eba ne sei e na osofo obi a yawo na to a Kristofo fie sori anopa ye di hymns ene sori sa enna kwada no aba be ye junkie we need drugs why drug addict wa bra sa de no empanimfo so say aduane a wa ma meto no ma me buchi aso ye nyede ye ni ntie ba ne say na akola ne wonu wi se nkwan what am I say ntie akota okoto na akọ wanu ma no yes yo nipa bebre akota ene ebia ye se akola we de ye tete ne wasafo ye tete ne wastan ye tete ne bantima ene sa ne ma na akota no growing up or say odan bantima su ene ba won say ye hu akola we ye bantima ni akola akola we ye astan ni we ye asafo ni akola asafo ni bremai sa ne ma no akota omoba wit odan su ba bi adi ti say mi nua ba ya baby Jocelyn Mofi beka so ya me kire Aston niema kakra bi wa
ya baby
Aston e ma some kind of enie bi ehunu
asafo so sa
so hu bantama na e ba no like fashion wise say yes ye tete akoda bi wo bantama ye tete no asafo a opie say wo ko ba bi so opie wo say ampa asafo ni akoda na e ba no e bia eniema e wo no ho no ni bon sheda nya din bia gidigidi bia so wakeka siani kama decent na oba but yekusia kwada ye wo ne to bantama ye wo ne to Ashtown ye wo ne to asafo na de bia no ho sekatu ni suban basa akota nya okoto na akọ wanu man
okay ba fe na mate de okanas
what am I say nya okoto e na akọ wanu man akota what am I say bi ndivieti yo
me try say so say a certain location
extra suban bi
e di say obi betom na omo nyina suban de no omo de no ye
different what am I say to we de okoto wanu ma pa ni wu na je so okoto akọ wanu ma aba betu yemu nye sana yesu ene ye bante akota yetimi wo ba ebi betu fie bi mu na nipa wo fie wo nyina wo nso bia akota afi na abusuafo no mpesa asem bebe se ni nana konkum bi owu 1881 hwan wo musuro se wan hwe a die ne sem bebe mu ni e pobi di akwa se ne se asusura sa na nakro no mu bie no no ma mo beto no akota ko wa no ma ba beto fie akota yetimi wu akola to fie bi mu na sa fie honom no akota ma ben ye ofie bi honom a akota by nature omunimade pa omunimade papa akota akola ibe pie fie honom a wabon se kuro ye wo se aduane ye de ma ne nuanom nyina no bi ne ye de ma no se ne mo se aduane ne enuro bi ye de ma nkwala ne tibi bi o ma dwenem hwan ne ade enuro bi ya ne ye ma ga ma yi eto ne onso no de ne echenkuro akota ne ye de ne fa he nya okoto na akọ wa no ma ade na ba betu fie ho no mama ye no akota ti yes okoto ewa no ma okoto owa no ma e de e ba betu fie ho
me da se
eti ye ntum
Ejako has not spoken.
Hold on, what's no? I think it's like you are trying to accuse me. Say I'm trying to bully you with my opinion. Why man can say
now
he's trying to appeal to the panel. TV. Asante, Asante, now describing what
but the meanings and you. As to how you take happening or
Asante Ukasewi will say, but for what you have stated, you know the people out there will accept you. You said it.
With me, say me bully, and that one you be better, mommy. From that you want to, mommy.
Okay, me macho. You are not bullying anybody. I just let me hear you.
Thank you very much. I really a special appeal. Say, my Leonard colleague.
Your microphone.
It's on.
Okay, it's on. My
Leonard colleague say, interjection.
No, my lord. It would. If he wants me to be in
cancel.
I can leave.
Cancel.
I have no problem.
Cancel your
I'm
plea.
dealing with three people.
Can you let me finish?
I'm dealing with 3 people.
I am addressing the bar.
3 people who
on the bench.
Ajako, your plea is overruled. Continue.
Respectfully. As it pleases my lord.
I won't say anything. You're ruling for me.
Go ahead.
No, we say I'm paying judgment. Massa,
Kasa.
My lord, no question say, and said ye can say, said ye, Mimi, a quarter one, mamma,
a woman, ye.
Yes. In the sense, Emma, Papa so ewa, but the money mono, the third born editor, sounds so a cocoa. Then you answer you too. Would we see me, my me, Mona?
I'm going there.
Anyway.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did it come out?
Yes, you said it.
I'm sorry.
That's why I
have overruled it. A little interjection is allowed. Go ahead.
Difference kakra ba beba. Ye nyina ya ba ono detia. Osanso ye kokko. Difference abeba mo. However, said ye nyina yesu in a ban city no. Ono ne de no difference kakra wo.
Okay.
And ye din kakra wo. On pebre. Ya kasi yenkoye when ye sada no. Ye hunu fie ida so obe yare. Na so obe pie. Tolom. But ye nyina nso we will be there to do that. Oya koto. Onya koto. Ono nko ade wabedani anoma no oyede. Owoyem. But ni nyina emu no ma me kro ne papa kro na Sompa. To overcast based on that intino.
Okoto nwa ma.
Oh. And emri okoto wa no ma because papa be to make us say, "Eh, akura we yemu e sure say ba." Ni sune ni ba ni ye idi ade me de idi ensem fata kura. Eye fa. Ye me ndi no kasa because o assess no hu no hwe no ho. Said you sitie, said there na mo tu sitie, said there nkasa sitie, said there ni yo ye sitie a enya akoda no de difference be bre wom. Obekwa ko edie ni so eye ne ba. Enti wo beka se die ni nti no. Na wo sa akoda no fa ne papa ni bibia wo so wo papa no ho ana. De bida. Ena nenso no nkoda no so aye wo obo no. Obi tumi wo ba no say, "Eh, me ba makowo me nana bia na." Because akoda no na nia din ne na nioma bi no aye different from papa no dey. It should tell you say, and the environment we bring our children up ne na se for difference kakra be no. Chokoto dey, my lord. Otumi wo no mama ne ye. Because race na say you woman no, say ba ko mienu miensa ebam. The first and then literally yes I say DNA ni won ni asefo ti no na te the idea to me say okay any e was akoda no sell e was akoda no ti say e was o ti say but say dey wontumi wo akoda ma ne sell pepepe da e ma ne mfa wusu ni woni ye bia the same thing da e bi ba betom ni bi betom abeka say onye obanti wo pona na my lord
Koto one mama ni.
Koto one mama ni.
Kokwa asante eba.
Thank you my lord.
I want to asante sa bambiem.
He gave an introduction.
And then
any 10.
I have allowed it.
My lord, and
hey,
go ahead.
I'm beginning to get it.
Ejakota, you also give us time to also
I
make
sit here
introduction.
as a judge. If you have any issues that you think you can go to the Supreme Court and file an application
for today, dear.
Can I hear it? Order.
I'm gradually beginning to receive some unfriendly bench. I mean, the way I am. Not from. No. I mean, the police are trying to make the atmosphere.
That is our friendly bar. Here is the bench. Please, like a council, let me remind you. Here
I was referring to my colleagues.
And then unfriendly
and I never knew that I could have some unfriendly members of the bar so close to me. Because and the interjection
would be 5 minutes.
I'm giving you the opportunity to speak.
Thank you very much. May come at if what you say. Koto on to me one my dad. Wow, bar on so baby ano first. Koto the on to me one ma. Koto be one ma kwanu wawu. Na koto ne wo kwa benefit so wo. Koto ne bo ne nkoso egu no bo. Sabe ana onoma so otugu wiem wakwa akoda so bosome na watwe me ensa say 21 days wakwa akohwan ne ma na koto watu
cancel please
koto watu
kosia sem
ala kosia we kosia
so allow him kosia ne timi pai e ma anoma afiri mu ba efiri koto kosia mu ba
please
my lord
go ahead.
The argument of more espousing in I say any akawuni pani ase no ni ase. The point is that enipa bi abawuni bia no, that is what we are referring to. Say koto ontimi one ma. Se nipa onya wuni pa no kwa na se koto no nipa na won likeness pa. That's the first point. The person ma etie for na 40 at say. That means you give birth to your likeness. Nna me ka say nipa nsa say edu. The nice so en san yesi edu 20. And that is the first semblance the except akono no. Ene na nam hwe ese da bi. We sabe Adam ne bu ye. Sati ma dem bu ebe ne nipa no so asase tu say you. Na one ne yere no nko a nti koto. Wo. My lord, I think
he's asking a question which is legitimate.
Me no.
He has asked a legitimate question.
I kept quiet.
Yes, so but the bench wants you to answer.
My lord, respect. I refuse to answer, and I think
okay, that is allowed. That is allowed. Go ahead.
I refuse to answer.
Go ahead.
So it's a deliberate way to try to derail my thoughts.
It means you can't
my lord,
your
Adam Nebu,
Councillor Yakon.
No nipa no so answer so.
Say Adam Nebu, Adam Nebu. That is his opinion. Let's allow him.
Hwe ni ma wo wo mo. And that was when
council,
my lord,
council, you are derailing his argument.
They are
and I
trying to make inference with the guys that Adam kawo baby maniku no ekunu nua na say
Adam wudini.
The point is
Adam na be wo wudi for
my lord, the point is that ebenu tias ye pani say obewo bana there is likeliness enye se be ni nantie nko
Cain and Abel no wo mo
kasa ona baby wutimi
akuta say koto one ma and ode Adam wo ye example
me say
Cain and Abel. Cain and Abel. Say Yakopon say
Oboni
person is so. God say peaceful. God
we see
it's about
Cancel. Allow him to talk.
It's Okoto one.
Okay, Bacho. Let them be quiet.
Enye suban mamu enye
suban
no, he talks about character and physical.
Aye ade a wu tie ni ade a wu say we die eye nipa eye wono a. That is the first point e be 90%.
As anti eye mienu anything I'm introduction me can say it talks about the physical and the character.
The moment I say koto nwa no no on say koto say ositie no ana no man is we nya fe na no man nam ho no na go say anoma buburo ana say feni say ananse I feni say oh what you say say one trem no say koto nwa no ma because enya no ma say bia ye pete kode abuburo ana say because is referring to the family and for that matter wunya hu ni pesu a wunya hu ni pase ne bobesitie na ene very good and he said so ni nimba omo kan the likeliness say ose no what yes enti the me can say koto ntimi wanu ma enti o mai me o ba o se papa tie de ntie o tie de ntie o ba se o say nya nkwa na wo no and hereditary tie oh my lord I think me say oba wo ba na won se wa eno nche se wa kwa wanu ma what you say e che se nya nkwa na wo no enti na ka che se
ke no se Adam na
se no se me ba na de Adam no so Yakopon Adam no mo nyango ko ka che se Obroni power there.
Necessary.
Ni super that means that likeliness more than character.
Thank you, gentlemen. 3 Eco capsules. The Cocoa Master. Waist pains, piles, any constipation. And no.
The 2-in-1 plus
Tibomodna say who could just swap. Ubenya 3 Eco capsules. 0546107107. Vacancy. Security guards wanted for immediate employment at 21st Clinic. Say uyo bia open so ye security guard. We the almost say security guards 21st Clinic. Also you be a what ben. What's up to me? You be able to my juma under pressure. Wo hanan kofobe to sha also to me jina to 2 blues. Afei utimi multiple task. Utimi we with my way. Application you say can ho Fabra 21st Clinic. By Saturday china 12 noon net to cha. Eti ne wo kwanya e na china so kopim du mienu. To be so security guard Fabra. 21st Clinic, we are experts in sciatica. To asiato twenwa chebo modern bra. Yemfa machine sisi uso. Yemfa bibidro kan. Yemye lab, yemye scan. Na yenyi sciatica no free. We are the expert. 0540311311. 0540311311. 21st Clinic na edit the annual free widows treatment program. Afibia omuyi dabisi wonoma eye ekunafo ye hwe omu free wo 21st Clinic. We the 9th edition. A free widows treatment. Na ebaso on the 1st of November. Mr. Momonshane so. Echina na oche. Deba. Ena ebaso. Na ebaso of branches ni nyina 15 branches ni nyina simultaneously consecutively na eye adwuma na free treatment for only these 2 peoples below: female widows, orphans below 18 years. Pacho tiemiye enye kunafo bema omuhema no ma hwe ewusi ana janka onye niamfie du nwotwe oyare baby how ko 21st Clinic. Omo ye free consultation, free lab and free diagnostics. You very sure omo jema bibia free. If we remember a draw free. Massage, I was a massage wa, be massage you free. Afa we are they are say chow free lunch and a snack. Hey, and the 1st November and easy. Saturday 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. all branches. Shannon son. Unti bibia say afre 0540 311 Afi Rami Emphasia. Minya birthdays no na afi yemra homa no so. Minya birthdays no na yemra homa no so. Okay. Happy birthday to Norena Adom Sewa Duchi. Yeah, very beautiful girl. 2 years. So pretty. Last I'm saying another birthday. Belated. Norena Adom Sewa Duchi. She's so pretty. Norena. Is she the dinner about? Yeah. I'm a fosia and then I would if you're Jakunho and Eba. Patience J from your sister Gloria and Rejoice. Chief Alfarian, Pastor Elvis Ajimai. And then Ayawawoda from Obed of Sompa TV. Also, Mautri Mkwa Alpha Hour. And Ayawawoda Mautri. To my daughter Queen Joffael, Dufia Free Year Kyoko. Hey, you would have did. A dinner to Ebe 9 Joffael, Dufia Free Year Kyoko. Your dad is Yaw Kyoko, Utumfo Asenehine. Oh, now you're Kyoko. Okay. Until 99 you're Kyoko. Anaba no your friend Joffael. We your friend na Dufia Free Year Kyoko. Akura your friend no na Dufia Free Year Kyoko. na do free ya ku na ya wo da na Joffiel no ye free Sandra Kredu a mathematics teacher won Omanhene Catholic Senior High School oba no kire mathematics na yes wa ben ukru ni ammonia ena kizito so ebo chidom Mr. Charles Forjo ye teacher at Transi MAJHS Benjamin Quatin of Tech ena di we brewo afi Angela Osei Tutu Richmond Nyante chi CMA Otrinkwa is a medical lab tech at 21st Clinic Nana Kwajo Bekon chairman to Ejoso Hine Nana and Ejoso Aswase okay wa man fa Aswase na ma Ejoso Aswase hina Oba nyina CMA Otrinkwa Stephen Boakye of Tano today is your birthday your dad Osei Kofi Akwa National Communication Director okay Mrs. So UK waba okay you got to know about am say intimation CPP Communication Director what that's what I say Mrs. Comfort to draw Samoa of Asokwa Makion Church of Pentecost definitely we for Akosia Suma neighbor Elder James Opuni
I don't know
sir Kessen Elder James Opuni Kessen we for Asante Ebo a also mo Trinkwa okay Madam Juliet Bafo Oma Kwabna and your mom Gladys Efia Nyamiche omunyina Emma Trinkwa happy birthday Mata Pew of New Swami we atwebo akodua on so ma ayinka Mata Pew the natade and the chechire ne na honko ano no hey eno ye ne mpaboa eno ye mpaboa I am mpaboa no be continue ko toje Senior Martin Yaw MPP Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer hopeful I feel the Muntuma Martin well of course this is about the fourth or third time I see the Muntuma I see the senior Muntuma Martin where the Muntuma Martin where the woman wait dear Martin Mufamano Ama Santua or Sokoba and Pame and there I would that Ama Trinkwa and then on what you go as you know but some change district health directorate okay the honor one uncle Safo of Aguna Queen Silla of Ahojo Kaichira na de beba Kaichiri Queen Silla of Ahojo Kaichiri obi na de beba okay now I'm a beer homana tum okoto one man okoto one man
and obo Adam not say Nyankopon ti Adam akoti your birthday doesn't mean say Nyankopon okoto one man so it's
Pepa Trasante beautiful niece
okoto one man say the Nyankopon boy yen say
Pepa number no 0551 931 munyina akwa mo microphone say off Akota 0551 931 hello
Akota asante for can serious o say the Nyankopon kranko e DNA because Adam no born no say obi bi say Nyankopon Adam enni ni suba Akota because Adam suba
hello good morning hello good morning good morning hello good morning what free so okay hello hello morning yeah nte won kan
morning
to say
Yami Adumboko na mo say Oman
my nte wa no pay
Oman apoto de owo ma me nkata me ba oh tell back you buy tell back thing it's a for that be the super tell back the super so apoto de owo ma ni good morning
Pacho Wendy
Pacho prophet mother pamphlet me katafi na
my nte wa no pay from someone
yeah me to koto e one am
okay
Yenti ne say and they are if you don't mean a war one a bit of say but Omanhene Yaw no nipa biara be se eja one be se ena ana so one be se eja na nipa biara akote ena
He has made his comment. He has made his comment. Hello, gentlemen.
Akota wala wansane mapa.
Hello. Our viewers and listeners will also want to contribute. Thank you, gentlemen. Upon Kasa.
And Bomba Basso, you must have moved in none of it. Now, the woman said, hot of on Anoma.
Yeah, that's it. You see, I'm in Penchly movie. Auto Abana now to Abaco. Hello.
What Olana? Sometimes hello,
but your friend Wabahomano so. Hello. Okoto, Utumi Wanoma, and our Wanoma, Tiawa. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Yeah, hello.
One come I you.
I'm calling from Ramponte.
Okay.
I'm here about my yard in a cut of one man.
Maybe cut of one man or so near about my yard. Hello. Maybe I try one day.
The patch calling to me, Mr. Kura.
My you.
The patch of one man.
Or one man.
Yes.
Hi.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir. When you
copy the Catafri apartment away.
My you.
Cotton only one mother.
Only one mother. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
But your when you.
But I thought Gilbert on the Catafri Bushing.
Kawasam, yet you.
But all cut the other one. It's not possible.
Okay. Yanko. The debate and the votes are coming. Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Pacho, can I? Gentlemen, my AT1 pay.
Good morning. Hello.
Pacho, hello.
Good morning.
AT1 pay me here. Kasa.
Pacho, one man.
Okoto one man. Okay, Medasi. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Antoine.
Yes, my dear, my aunt you.
If I can make a surface. They come to country. Cotton one.
Thank you. Thank you very much, my lady.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, we are pa my aunt you.
I'm about you. Offer information. I can better with the mamas.
About your cotton to me one man now, cotton one man. Would you not find it you?
Me say, me better come and offer information. We don't come with the mamas.
Okay. Pick information. Why? Pick information. You the line on the pick information. Pick information. Hello, good morning.
Fine morning.
About your hand here.
What's about that? You got a drum quanta.
Yo, my aunt
you more and penny for I'm asking you a cotto and one man.
Okay.
Azuka, what you have dear?
Azuka is not taking one. Don't worry. Hello, good morning. Morning. About your hand here. Okay, my aunt you.
But your cotton on what anoma but the kokasa the boom ya
but be any yeah you know from but the vote is counted. He voted. Hello, good morning.
Akoto de bat be mu nyina no vote we.
You can contest it in court. Hello.
You can go to
court. Hello.
And then you can go to court.
Hello.
But no disqualify the answer.
You don't decide here.
Akota, what team first was a team second one.
Hello.
Akai.
Yeah, the rub box in the dad.
Me ba cho wande.
Bacho e frame akọ me kase fin kwana nkwame.
Yo, my enti wa no pay.
Bacho okoto onwo anoma.
Onwo.
Okoto enwo anoma.
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Hello, bacho so ba ene.
Bacho wande. Yo, my enti wa no pay. Ah, we jina he. Minji ukasa. Why na ujira na chi? Me mic na dey.
Technician.
Your mic na ba o. Oh, TV is something I want to be behind. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Why nie?
Nana mo nie be kasa ti wa sa na nko.
Nana yenti o.
Ai, koto ese bom anoma anam suro koto be da wan ma. Koto efi enwo anoma.
Nana wakasa.
Okay.
Koto die.
Hello. Ade anoma wonsi form. Anoma wonsi form. Asema papa wo kan. Anoma wonsi form. Anoma wona miam da bia.
Okay, last one, last call. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Pacho Wendy.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, my dear.
Wazuke ni bitwa squad.
Pacho fod bana wa mkato so ya answer.
My entio, ujina he?
Pacho koto wanuma.
Koto edai.
Owanuma.
Owo.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Abusia form ye di besi ha. Yemre na so. Ya abo amane e jako.
In fact,
omo kabom enya enum.
Eye campaign hunu.
Azanti e mo
Content
crow.
Oh. 15 cry.
Onya twice the figure. Onya do.
This landslide. O man nan koto ho. Abo koto. O me mama mika ya wie un abo koto ho. Omo family na ese mo na ye miensa pe. Omo wo monko koto na ba ku bi ka ho refi. Koto abo onye abo bi se bia na ntwie ni e bia odwan anase bia aponsia. I'm trying to make you understand why.
Understand what?
Oh, me Emma, untimi
emuasem
abobi antimi abobi ana de se koto no nko
sesi asante boy se wo cheche emuasem
koto nko ani
asante boy se de emuasem na wo ye modima
emuasem ache mo ntimi asem asem
eze de asante boy wo cheche emuasem
animal husbandry. I was avoid on the note of a Muslim description. We draw the curtain on today's program. Today you have won.
Akota, we take this opportunity to congratulate Abra.
No, I don't. The battle is still on. The battle is still on. Next time the municipal, we can't never strong room. We can't never strong room.
We take this opportunity